Hey, welcome into the channel. Today we're going to be talking about setting up an object in Bambu Studios for printing in vase mode.
Nice and flexy.
So as you can see, I have loaded in my vase. I actually designed this vase in the Make My Vase tool just a few minutes ago. And so I was able just to export this out of here into Bambu Studios. If you want to see how this tool works, click this link up here. And I've got a short little walkthrough for that tool as well. So coming back over, we have our vase, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you what this looks like as a sliced object. So it's going to look like this, and you'll be able to see just your standard infill, 15%, top layers, bottom layers, your walls, everything's filled in. So that's not what we want in this case. So what settings we're going to go through, we're going to jump back over to prepare. I'm going to go through some of these basic settings and just see if we can fix some of these things and get what we're looking for. So the very first thing I'm going to do is jump over here to our strength tab, and I'm going to turn my walls down to 1. I'm going to turn my top shell layers down to 0. And I need to set our bottom shell layers to 1. And I need to set our infill density to 0. Okay, so those are your basic settings. That's going to give you your vase mode. Now, if I want it to print in an actual vase mode, I need to jump over to our Others tab and come down to Spiral Vase. If you do not check this box right here, you are going to have a nice little seam that comes up your object. So in this case, make sure you select that Spiral Vase. I should be able to go ahead and hit Slice. Okay, it looked like that worked. And not really seeing a seam, we'll turn on and see if we can see what our line types look like. You'll notice all outer wall with nothing but the bottom surface in here. So this entire object is going to take 1 hour and 32 minutes to print. As we go through the layers, looks like it works out pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and send this off to the printer, and we'll check out the results.
So this just finished up. See what it looks like here. Turned out really good. So there you go.
If you have any questions, go ahead and drop me a comment down below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe. We're just trying to grow this out as we keep creating more videos. Again, thanks for sticking around to the end. We'll see you next time.